Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video we'll be discussing about edit curve commands. In the previous video we had discussed about chamfer, and moving forward we'll be going on to fillet as well as quick trim and quick extend. So coming back to fillet. Before understanding what fillet is, one has to understand the difference between a fillet and a round. So this fillet and round, how one specifies this fillet and round, because most of the engineering drawing possesses these two variables or these two nomenclatures. So whenever you have an external interface, it is called as an round, and whenever you are having an internal interface, it is called as an fillet. So this is the difference between a round and a fillet, whereas the one thing which you have to specify is always with respect to a radius, which would be necessarily provided on your drawing sheet if you are modeling any exercise, or if you are drafting, then you are the one who has to decide on the amount of radius which has to be specified. Okay, moving forward, this is a basic difference between the fillet and round. And now how to use this option. So when you click on this icon fillet, you will be opened up with a dialog box which consists of 4 different tools in it. One is fillet with trim, and the other one is fillet method with untrim, and you're having one more, delete third curve, option of deleting third curve, and then create an alternate fillet. So first we'll see how to make use of a fillet using trim. Okay, now this is the corner where I want to fillet. I'll select my first line. It is similar to the selection which you had done in your as I had shown you in the previous video with respect to your chamfer. So first and second view, and just specify the radius what you want to. So here I had given a radius of 0.5. So one can find a fillet. The major distinction between these two commands or these two tools, trim and untrim, is here the curve is getting trimmed away. Sorry, the line is getting trimmed away with respect to the fillet of radius whatever we are entered. So this is a 0.5 mm trim and this is a 0.5 mm trim. Similarly, when I use this untrim option, so one can find there is no removal of this line, so they are still there when you are using an untrim command. So this is the difference between the trim and untrim command or tool, fillet tool. Now coming to the third option, delete third curve. So for this, let me make an helping sketch. So let me assume this to be my helping sketch. Okay, now go back to fillet, the third option, delete third curve, first curve for first line, second, and this would be my third one. So one can find this is the way it, using the 3 different curves or lines, it is forming an fillet or an arc in between these 3 lines. So this is how it is being used. Now one, as the name itself is indicating, for this create an alternate fillet. So alternate fillet means it's an opposite direction to whatever fillet you were making initially. So this is making an alternate or opposite fillet to whatever directions you have specified previously. Right. So in this manner this can be made used. Okay, now moving further, so if one wants to bring this to the center of the screen, or you can make use of pan command, which is available on over here, pan, or one can use a fit to screen. So when I fit to screen, it automatically fits to the screen. Okay. No, so this was about the fillet command. Now we'll move further with respect to our trim command. So how this trim works? Okay, let me make a helping sketch first. So the trim command is quite similar to what if one has used AutoCAD. That is, it works in a similar manner with all softwares, irrespective of the software which you are using. So this is my trim. So here you'll have a boundary curve and you'll have a curve to trim. So if I click on this, so this acts as my boundary curve. If you're not selecting, this acts as my boundary curve, and this would be the region would be trimmed away. Okay, so this is my trimmed region. Similarly, I can trim this one, and similarly I can trim this portion. Just a click and it gets trimmed off. Okay, so this, in this manner you can use your trim command. So this is very useful command, and one might find it more useful when you are drawing complex sketches. So now I'm moving further. Okay, now so this is my line and this is my end point of this particular sketch. So if I want to extend this to respect to this boundary, so I can make use of a quick extend command. Similarly, just click on this, so you can find the line would be extended with respect to this. Now if you are having two different lines, one in this region and one over here, so you can directly use your quick extend, or sometimes you can make use of your intersection, make corner command. Just click on this, select the curves, 1 second, so this automatically creates a corner between two lines. Okay guys, this is it for today. Thank you for watching this. Do like my videos and hit a subscribe button. If you are interested, come back to watch more videos on the upcoming sketching platform. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.